Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Wash Arm Cap. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new wash arm cap. The wash arm cap holds the wash arm on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the wash arm is falling off and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that you have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out and set it aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we have access to the wash arm cap. It's right here in the middle of the lower wash arm. All you have to do is unscrew it. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old wash arm cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new wash arm cap in, all you have to do is screw it onto the stud. Once you have it tightened down, the wash arm should still spin freely. And then we can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.